to appeal to all the members. Let us rise above our individual issues that are there. They may be important at a personal level, individual levels, that's fine. But I think at the end of the day, we have to see where we are, what this house is going to do, move forward in a constructive and a positive way, and ensure that we discuss matters in a way that can maintain the dignity and decorum of this house. There are so many things that were said, time is not going to serve. Again, it brings down the technical mind and apply to these issues. So I'm going to touch on that. My main point being that we are here to serve the people of the state, to ensure that we are able